Hello everyone, today Wondercat game Devil May Cry. Let's play. This is part 2. I want to continue. Devil May Cry part 2. Need to complete it. So part 2. I need some of content. Hello, Daniel and Montreal. Attack by her is not okay. But we and some fun. Some fun here. That's better. Some complete. Oh, can pass it here. And then we continue next step. Get mission to play not team. Let's go. Don't know what to do with the time. What are you really need to do for? I need to run. Get some activity. Good luck to you not open for me. I need to try some room to eat. Yeah, there's something to done. Zero mean ball. And it mean jump to it. Okay. This will be something like Super die off shot. And you have to try some more. Listen. Need to find him.ก็ถ่ายวัดตัวลองดูนะครับแล้วทำให้ทุกอย่างถูกต้องเป็นการทับที่ถูก record the ancient audio. Okay. Remote on campaign. But this is maybe my last part on this game. Can I think it maybe just a part to like it. Connection. I think remote on. Find some way to keep Okay, let this be part 2 and very useful. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye. Maybe see the next part.